we're introducing Deel IT as a full suite of IT solutions. It now includes device lifecycle management, mobile device management, endpoint protection, and app management, all seamlessly integrated into one unified system. This means that you can automatically ship devices to new hires, securely manage your entire fleet of devices, enforce security policies, and easily purchase and assign app licenses in seconds. First up, we're introducing device lifecycle management. Deel IT now lets you manage your team's devices from start to finish. Built directly on Deel's HRIS, everything can be automated based on employee lifecycle events. For example, when a new hire joins, Deel IT automatically knows their start date, their role, and their location. From there, your new team member can choose their new device, or monitor, or headset, or whatever it is they want from your custom equipment catalog. Deel IT then automatically ships their device to them in time for their start date and ready to use out of the box. If there's ever an issue, we've got it covered with 24/7 support. And we can even send out loaner devices globally. When an employee leaves, a device collection request is automatically triggered, ensuring it's collected, stored, and wiped, with no extra steps needed from you. We even send the packaging if it's required. Managing global equipment has really never been this seamless. Additionally, with Deel IT, you can upload all of your existing devices to the platform, either via bulk upload or by using the Deel agent. From there, you can do everything you've always been able to do with devices you procured through Deel, from storage all the way through to remote support. This means that you can truly unify your IT operations onto one platform from day one when you become a Deel IT customer. It's less hassle, less downtime, and better hardware use. Next up, we're launching identity provider integrations. Deel IT now syncs in real time with Google Workspace, Microsoft Entra, Okta, and JumpCloud. So now, if someone changes roles or leaves your organization, their app access rights are updated immediately. This automation is going to save a ton of time in granting and revoking app access during on- and offboarding events. We're also excited to launch mobile device management. Nowadays, every organization should be tracking their devices, enforcing some level of security policies, and remotely locking laptops if they're lost or stolen or being returned to you. With our MDM product, you can now do all of that from within Deel, ensuring every device in your fleet is secure. Plus, with our new endpoint protection solution, you can easily deploy cyber threat detection, or antivirus as some people call it, to every one of your devices. This makes it easier than ever to achieve a world-class security posture for your global team. Finally, I am super excited to introduce app license management. Managing 20 or 30 or 40 SaaS apps for your team can get messy, which is why we've built the ability for you to actually purchase popular apps from Deel directly through our app marketplace. So if you're already using Deel's HRIS and our identity integrations, you can now assign, unassign, and purchase app licenses for your team members automatically as they on and off board. This saves a ton of time and cuts out unnecessary SaaS spend. And as part of this launch, we are announcing our partnership with AI-enabled Google Workspace. Starting today, you can purchase Google Workspace licenses automatically within Deel, as in when your team members join and leave your organization. And we've got many more apps coming to our app marketplace soon. It's only been 7 months since Deel IT was born, so we really are just getting started. And I can't wait for you to try these new products.